I'll be showing you how to turn off mobile data, also known as cellular data in most of US. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions should work for pretty much any iPhone. So go to settings. On the settings page, tap on mobile data. For most people actually, this says cellular data. So tap on that. Now, since I have a dual SIM iPhone, it's gonna give me an option for mobile data here. Now, for most people, the toggle button for mobile data or cellular data is right here, and all you have to do is turn it off from here. But since I have a dual SIM iPhone, I can tap on that, and it's gonna give me options to enable cellular data for the primary SIM card or from the secondary SIM card, and also the option to turn it off from here. So it's one more step if you're having a dual SIM iPhone. Okay. Now the second method is from wherever you are on your phone, just scroll down from the top right side of your iPhone to reveal the control center. And then here you should see the cellular data icon, this one right here. Now, if you're not seeing it, then you can long press on that and maybe you should see it somewhere there. It says mobile data on mine. On yours, it might say cellular data. So to disable or to turn off, just tap on that button. And when it goes gray, it means mobile data or cellular data is turned off. So those are the two ways of turning off cellular data on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.